Morning and welcome back to Boundless Creations YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do today is make a DIY. Of course, my hair needs to be washed. I slept on it last night. It's time to revamp her. And I'm trying not to use store-bought gel. I'm trying to switch over. So today what I decided to do was use a DIY flaxseed gel. So we're going to do this together. And all it takes is 2 ingredients, 3 if you want to add an optional essential oil, which I'm not. I'm just going to do the 2 ingredients. So we're going to do this together and see how it goes. Now, with doing a homemade gel, you know everything that's in there, you know it's good, and it's not going to be harmful to your hair. Some products on the shelf will have too much keratin, which can be damaging and harmful simply because too much of a good thing is a bad thing. That can harden the hair, the protein in it starts to make the hair dry and lifeless and the curls go away. So that's one of the things I've been combating, is having too much protein in my hair or too much moisture. So I'm going to make something that could work for my hair that I made. I know what all is in it, and we're not going to do too much. We're going to go simple chic, if you will. We get what we need and get out. All right, so let's look at what we need for this. Again, 2 ingredients. Let's get it. I'm going to go to the pantry. And we are going to get the Flaxseed ground. Yep, we're going to use ground instead of the full seeds. What else do we need? We also need a pot. So I'm going to use a saucepan. And we're going to get the 1 cup measurement. So let's just grab him. And now we have everything that we are going to need for this recipe. So we've turned our burner on medium heat, and what we're going to do is add our pot. We're going to put in 1 cup, just going to add that 1 cup into the pot. We're going to want to bring this to a boil. Okay, once it starts boiling, that's when we'll cut it off, since we're using ground flax seeds. So we're going to go ahead and take 1/8 a cup of these flax seeds and add them to the pot, and we're going to continuously stir while it's going through the process. Okay. And right here I have a 1/4, so we're not going to fill this up. We only need a little bit of this for the flax seeds. So I got to eyeball it. We're just going to add that to our water. Some of those stuck. I'm going to add a little bit in there. And the amount of gel, the amount of hardening or properties you want for the hold for the gel is dependent upon how much of the flax seeds you use. So since it's come to a boil, we're going to go ahead and turn the stove off and just let it rest until it thickens up. So we'll continue to stir it throughout the process. And then we'll come back and see how it thickens up. So here is the gel after it's been sitting for about 45 minutes. Starting to gel up quite nicely. So we're going to let it sit a little bit longer so that it can go ahead and gel up some more. But it's getting there. All right. So here's our gel. It's thickened up. So we're going to stick it in this muslin bag, and we're going to go ahead and strain it out. So let's just get this on in here. Hopefully I can pour it efficiently. Yeah, like that. get all of that out of there. Okay. Now we're just gonna strain it. See the gel coming out? We're just gonna strain it on out. Ooey gooey. Look at that. Now this can be used for up to 3 weeks if refrigerated. If you do not refrigerate it, then you can get it for possibly 2 weeks, but I wouldn't say to keep it any longer. So we're just, we have a light jelly consistency. So I'm going to go use it in my hair. We'll see how it does.